Hey all, actually in this video I'm going to discuss about phylum porifera. Now animal kingdom oda introduction last time mudikele I have told you like I'll briefly discuss about each phylum. So our first phylum is porifera, and it's not that complicated to study about it. It's a multicellular animal. Even though it's a multicellular animal, it doesn't form tissues, so it comes at a cellular level. Cells perform the body function, and generally poriferans are marine animals, and they don't divide themselves in any plane. Actually, like, we can't divide a porifera into two equal halves in any plane, so they comes under asymmetrical animal. And like, one special feature of porifera is nothing but having a canal system. Porifera have pores in the sides of their body, so water goes into the central cavity of the porifera through these pores, and it goes outside through osculum. These pores which are present on the side is known as ostia. So water enters into the porifera through ostia, and it stores in the spongocoelum, which is the central cavity, and it moves out through the osculum. I have given the picture of it, so you can guess the flow of water. What the main use of this canal system is nothing but it helps in food gathering, it helps in respiration, and it helps in removal of waste. And the central cavity spongocoelum is lined by chanocytes. These are special kind of cells present only in the porifera. And when it comes to digestion is intracellular in porifera. Intracellular is nothing but which happens inside the cell, so digestion is intracellular. And poriferans have a skeleton in their body. And that skeleton is made up of spicules or spongin fibers. And next we are coming to reproduction. When we come to reproduction, porifera or hermaphrodite animals, both eggs and sperms are present on the same body, and they reproduce by two methods, either through asexual or through sexual. Asexual is nothing but it reproduces through fragmentation, and sexual reproduction is happens through formation of gametes. Like, poriferans give rise to formation of gametes, and they both combine and they give rise to an offspring or young one. And fertilization is not external, as both eggs and sperms are present in the same body. It happens inside the body. Development, when we come to development, we have indirect development. Indirect development is nothing but having a larval stage before attaining the adult stage. So here they have a larval stage, so development is indirect. And larva is completely different from adult morphologically. Morphologically is nothing but outer structure, so adult is in no way common with the larva. Morphologically they don't appear same. And some examples of phylum porifera is cycon and freshwater sponge. Freshwater sponge is also known as spongilla. And we have both sponge. Both sponge is nothing but Euspongia. I have some interesting fact about porifera. Porifera is one of the slowest moving animal in the world. Per day they move 3 millimeter. Actually, if you take 24 hours, they only move 3 millimeter per day. And it lives deep inside the water. You can see porifera even at 5 miles beneath the sea. And they use chemicals present in their body to save themselves from predators. So scientists have researched about it, and they've given a sentence like, chemicals present in the poriferas to attack predators can sometimes used as a medicine for HIV and cancer, and they can live up to 200 years old. We can find a porifera which is 200 years old actually. These are some facts about porifera. So I'll conclude with this, and in the next video I'll discuss about Coelenterata. Bye bye.